Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first English video. Even though I'm half American, I haven't spoken this language in a long time. So forgive me for my mistakes and welcome in this world. This is the I'm Care channel. I'm Care is a cosmetic line made in Italy, 100% natural, and we are a very strong community on Instagram. So if you want, check us out here. Besides this, I'm very excited because on this channel I'm gonna speak entirely in English, and we're gonna talk about all the things that concern the I'm Care community. Skincare, beauty routines, makeup, fashion hacks. We're going to talk about self-care and a lot of conversations about self-love and women empowerment. So I'm very happy that I had a chance to start this new journey with you guys. I hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Today I chose to do a different kind of video from the things I usually post on Instagram. In fact, I want to show you how to do a depuffing and a detox face massage with an unusual choice of cream, because I'm going to use I'm Care's eye cream. This is it. Okay, I chose this eye cream because today I need a more fluid texture that only this cream can give me. It's ideal if you want to do a very long massage and you need less greasiness and more waterness. Okay, once I'm ready, I'll start my depuffing massage without cream, only with my hands. Start from here. We do this fluid movement on the area, on the chest area, for like 10 times. You have to be very gentle and you don't need so much pressure, okay? So once we're done, we start moving up, and here we are with this part of the fingers. We can press over here. We want our blood and lymphatic system to start moving. Let's make all of our toxins go away with this gentle movement. Down, 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 okay? You can repeat this whole sequence from down to up like 3 times or even more, and the more you take care of this phase, the more results you're gonna get, because with these movements, with these gentle movements from down to up, we will obtain and stimulate the lymphatic system the most. So this is what we want to do for now. I'll get this eye cream, see? Perfect. I'll put a good amount on my hand. We need a good quantity. That's it. You could also use a hyaluronic acid or like rose water product if you don't really want the greasiness to go on, but you need something to make your skin more fluid and easier to massage. So let's start. Our whole hands are full of product, and we'll do an easy massage all the way on this area. We need to use the thumbs. Thumbs are so important. Perfect. Once the cheeks and the neck are well stimulated, now we can actually use more pressure. We want to feel the movement. We want to feel the muscles stretch. Perfect. You can do this like 8, 10 times. Okay, now we concentrate first on this side and then on the other side. Let's hold the chin, and we can use these 2 fingers for a more defined and now we want to reach like the end of our face from a relaxing treatment. You can feel that now the face is kind of burning because the blood And okay, now I want to do an opposite movement. First, now we're going to do first this movement. Now we want to do an opposite movement from the bottom to bone cheek. Okay, I'm going to do this as many times you want. We're going to contour the area, depuffing this and accent the cheekbone. Okay, now we're going to do this cheek. Perfect. Okay, now that we pulled everything up, we can do this movement one more time and then we're done. See, you don't need so much product. And it's a good massage we can do on a daily basis, and we have like 10 minutes of our time to spend on this treatment, or we can do it like every other day or once a week, anytime we feel like we need a depuffing massage treatment. Remember that the lymphatic system is the kind of the main cause of water retention, and we need to get that going so we actually have the smooth and depuffed result. So the first part is so important, and then it's also important to drink a lot of water on a daily basis, but especially after this treatment, so we can actually remove all of our toxins that we now have moving on, and we have kind of removed from the areas that we care the most. Remember that I'm not an expert, I'm just here to share my knowledge on different subjects. So I hope I helped someone to deal with this puffiness problem. And for now, this is everything I have to say, but we'll meet soon in another video. Love you, bye bye.